Are you getting the Qt5XmlPatterns.dll error after the Qt Framework update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. I recommend the automated system scan for Qt5XmlPatterns to finish your setup in seconds. This is the Qt5XmlPatterns, the Qt5XmlPatterns library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of XQuery and XPath queries, facilitating the complex data link for XML-based information manifests. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. To resolve this, keep in mind that Qt5XmlPatterns.dll is typically installed with Qt Framework. Reinstalling the latest version of Qt Framework from the official developer source will restore any missing or corrupted application files, including the missing library. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Qt5XmlPatterns, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing Qt5XmlPatterns.dll error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to Qt5XmlPatterns management. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Qt5XmlPatterns dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.